Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Highlander Limited. 2012 Toyota Highlander Limited, luxury, power, and family adventures await. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 143,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ready to elevate your family adventures? Check out this 2012 Toyota Highlander Limited. Powered by a 3.5L V6 engine with 270 HP and 248 pound-feet of torque, this SUV delivers performance and luxury. Dressed in sandy beige metallic with a sand beige leather interior, it's packed with features: heated front seats, a power moonroof, rear-view camera, JBL premium sound, and a built-in navigation system. Fuel efficient too, with 17 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. Plus, it's in excellent condition with a clean Carfax. Visit us and take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.